Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on Laravel array, right? The situation is if you want to get last data from the array, how you can find it. The second situation is if I want to get last data from an array with a certain condition, right? So how you can do this? Okay, so let's go to the editor and suppose we have an array. Okay, so this is my array. Suppose I have some index array, and let's create an array. Suppose we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, we have 6 elements. Now I want to get the last value from this array. How we can find this? We have a Laravel array function. By using that function we can easily find. So to use the array function, we need to include into your page. It is illuminate support array. Right now, if I want to get the last value from this array, how can I find this? So simply just create a variable, suppose value or val. Okay, no problem. And let's use the array function. And here my function name is last. Okay, if you want to find the last value from the array, just use the last function and just pass the numbers. Okay, now print that value, echo $val. Right now, if you refresh this, you will get the last value. Undefined value numbers. Sorry, spelling mistake actually. Just use the numbers. Okay, now refresh this, you are getting 60. So this is the last value. The next situation is if I want to get the last value with a certain condition. Okay, now I want to get the last value which is more than 30. Okay, so how are we going to find this? So we can pass a closure function here. Okay, so simply just declare a function and create your logic. Okay, so this is the function, and here you can create your logic. Suppose I am just going to create integer value. Okay, and let's say return $value when the value is greater than 30. Okay, now if I just going to refresh this, still you will get 60 because after the 30 the last value still 60. Now I am changing something. Suppose I am just writing 40 here, 35 here. Okay, so first write 40 and remove the 40. That time the last value is 40, which is more than 30. So the output will be the 40. Great. Now if I just write here any other thing, suppose if I want to get the number which are more than 60. Okay, let's refresh. We are not getting anything. That means there is no value which are greater than 60. That time we are getting the blank. So here we have another solution. We can pass the default things. Means if the value is not present or if the condition is not matches with my array, we can pass any default things. So the first parameter is numbers, second parameter is closure function. We can write our logic. This is the callback function, and I can pass the default. Okay, so if the condition is not matches with the array, then we can get the default. Okay, so simply if you just refresh this, you are getting 100. That means our condition is not matches. So if you just write here 40, so that time you will get output 60, because after 40 we have a last element 50 and 60, so just we are getting 60. So just change the position. Now I just writing here 60 and 50. So the last element will be which is greater than 40. The last element will be 60 and 40, and the last is 50. So that's the reason if you refresh this, you are getting 50. Okay, understand? So last means you will get the last value from the certain matches, and if you not pass any callback, so it will automatically fetch the last value from the array. And if you want to get the default, if you not find anything with a certain condition, then you will get the default things. That's clear. Okay, so this is the quick videos, and if this video helps you, please like this and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We'll come with more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.